Learning healthy anger management strategies. When treating or dealing with anger issues, there are many suggestions for anger management strategies. Each of them is intended to help people who are hot-tempered and frequently have fits of rage. Anger, although a healthy and normal response to upsetting situations, it can be intense to the point of violence. When a person experiences regular episodes of angry or reckless behavior, there's a problem, one that needs to be dealt with. Anger management strategies are designed to help an individual return to a healthy, normal existence. Taking a time out is considered a healthy management strategy. Removing oneself from a situation or person that makes a person angry is practicing time out. This anger management strategy might simply require a ride in the car or a walk on the beach. Playing sports or working out will help an individual to use up some of the extra energy without involving others. Some other suggestions for time out are reading, listening to music, or sitting alone in silence. Each of these activities are healthy anger management strategies. A second example of a healthy anger management strategy is owning up to the anger. Although the anger is usually brought on by an irritating situation or a confrontation with another individual, the anger actually belongs to the troubled person. Only the person who's experiencing the anger issues can control their outbursts. Only the person with the anger issues can learn anger management strategies and how to deal with their feelings in a healthy way. When an individual becomes mad or upset, they need to try to disclose the reasons for their anger, whether it is hurt, fear, frustration, sadness, confusion, jealousy, or whatever seems to unleash the rage. Another healthy anger management strategy is to look back on those situations that upset an individual and try to find ways to make changes. Learning the cause of the anger may help the individual to avoid those situations. Not only might the person learn to avoid these incidents, but they might also choose to take what they've learned and attempt to deal with the situation without bursting into a frenzy. A fourth suggestion regarding healthy management strategies is to confront the situation or person. Talk to the person or people involved, calmly of course, to try to determine the root of the problem. The angry individual might actually discover that the whole thing was a mix-up, a misunderstanding. The individual might also try asking the person or people in the situation to think about their behavior and perhaps even change it. It may be surprising what people would be willing to do to help the person who is attempting to deal with their problems with anger. Hopefully everything will work out for the best. If not, there has to be room for acceptance. Sometimes a person must simply accept the situations and people they cannot change and either deal with it or walk away. Learning healthy anger management strategies should be considered by those with anger problems. There are many books published regarding anger and anger management. There is also a wealth of information available on the internet for those who are attempting to deal with their anger by learning healthy anger management strategies.